Hey, check out this Casio Casiotone. If you like playing piano, it's portable. This is a fantastic piano. It's got a lot of tones to it. Not a ton, but really kind of cool. It's got a lot of reverb to it. It's got a lot of different variations to it. It's got a volume control. You can record on it. All kinds of awesome things. This has a carrying case. It comes with the carrying case. So it's a nice keyboard. Also USB compatible, so you can plug it in to a MIDI system or any way to the computer, and it just works beautiful. It comes in a nice box like you see here. It's packed quite well, and it's got a nice tone to it. To tell you the truth, it really is good. I'm not a big piano player. I really don't play well at all. But I do like to listen to music, as we all do. So this is a great piano. I definitely highly recommend this piano. Great sound, and the tone is really right on. The keys feel really good, nice and clean. You can hear that reverb, like that, just that nice sound. You can really do some really cool stuff with this piano. So I definitely highly recommend this Casio piano. It's really sweet. It's got a beautiful sound to it, and I absolutely love it. Appreciate your time as always, and enjoy the music. And I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.